In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find my AOL username and password. Start by opening Chrome on your computer or device. Look to the very top right corner of the Chrome window. You will see three small vertical dots which open the main Chrome menu. Click or tap those three dots once. When you do, a drop-down menu appears, covering part of the page you were on, with options like New Tab and History. If you see that menu, you are in the right place to move on. From there, look down that drop-down menu until you find the option named Settings. It usually sits in the lower part of the list, under items like Downloads. Click or tap Settings. Chrome will open a new tab that shows the settings page, usually with a search bar at the top and several categories listed on the left side. Take a moment to confirm you see the word Settings at the top of this new tab before you continue. Now that you are in Settings, look over to the menu running down the left side. One of the main entries there is called Autofill and Passwords. This section controls how Chrome stores and fills things like usernames, passwords, and payment details. Click Autofill and Passwords once. The main area on the right changes to show options related to saving and managing what Chrome remembers for you, including passwords that may contain your AOL login. Next up, in this Autofill and Passwords section, look for the area that mentions Google Password Manager. It usually has a short description under it about viewing and managing saved passwords across your devices. Click Google Password Manager. When you do, Chrome opens a dedicated Password Manager page or tab, and you should now see a list of saved sites and accounts, sometimes with icons next to each site name. If you are signed into Chrome with your Google account, this list can include passwords saved from your phone as well. At this point, you are ready to look for your AOL login. On the Password Manager page, find the search box near the top of the list of saved passwords. Click in that search box and type the word AOL in all lowercase. The list below instantly filters to show only entries related to AOL, such as mail.aol.com. In the AOL entry, you will see your saved username or email address displayed, usually in the username column. To see the password, look to the right of that AOL entry for a small eyeball icon. Click the eyeball icon once. Chrome may ask you to enter your computer password to confirm it is really you. After you pass that prompt, the hidden password becomes visible next to your AOL username, and you can now read or write it down. You have now used Chrome and Google Password Manager to locate your saved AOL username and reveal your AOL password, so please give this video a thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe if you would like more clear walkthroughs like this.